shiny forehead. Eat it up, audience. Eat it up. What am I doing? Oh my god. This is eye-opening. Even though my eyes aren't really open, this is eye-opening. Oh my gosh. Okay, I should probably do an introduction. Okay, that might be my introduction. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm touching my eye bags today. If you got any advice, just put it in the comments section down below. Anyways, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm documenting me being an 18-year-old, and I guess being an adult means you get eye bags in the morning. I don't know. Maybe one of you are gonna have to drop a comment down below being like, is this the real deal, or I don't know, I haven't really seen them in my teenage years. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing here, but I do know what I'm doing here. Well, I don't really need the two clashing together. I'm documenting me being an 18-year-old, and I hope you're enjoying this at home. But I'm documenting my day. I'm doing little vlogs lately, so well, that's the goal, to do little vlogs in my PJs. This is really cozy. I actually made myself a coffee. I guess that's a new thing too about being an adult, is that coffee gets involved a little bit, not a little bit, maybe a bit more than a little bit. You know what I mean? You know what you know what I mean, audience. You know what I mean. If the adults out there are telepathically communicating to each other, knowing exactly what I mean. And if they're not, then I'm in trouble, okay? I'm in trouble. But I made myself a coffee this morning. Bear with me, hang on a minute. Next to my glass of water, because I wanted to have a drink of water before I actually, I lied there. I had this a little bit, and then I thought, better have some water on the side. So I got the water on the side with the coffee, because I guess that's adulting. I guess this is documenting the adulting experience, and I'm hoping my kids find these when I'm a bit older and they get to anyways, enjoy the process of me adulting. I hope you're enjoying the experience of me adulting. I'm talking a lot. Anyway, I'm going to tell you what I'm actually getting up to today. Probably drinking more coffee. I hope you're enjoying the coffee moments. This is eye-opening. Even though my eyes aren't really open, this is eye-opening. But I'm actually reading. The adults know what's going on. Oh my god, don't crease the pages, please, Jesus. Here we go. We're reading today. Oh my god, the postman's out there. Got a little bit of mail. Maybe we'll have to go here to the mailbox together. But I got little third book in the series. A Court of Winds and Ruin. Adults know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you do know, what's your favourite one? Put down below. And then I'm also reading this. This is such a good book, okay? Listen to me. It's really, really good, okay? So this is called The Inheritance Games. Really good. I actually DNF'd this, but I didn't mean to. I was just a bit in a mood. So I'm probably going to pick this up today. Probably going to read together. Who knows? Grab your books, grab your coffee. If you don't drink coffee, then that's cool. That's cool. No, it's actually really cool. I don't mind if you don't drink coffee. It's all good. I'm not poking it. I'm not being mean, okay? I'm not. I know it sounds really mean in the beginning, but I'm not being mean, okay? So, this is what I'm reading. Look, there's a little bit of everyone there, and then there's just like this cowboy standing there. Like, why is he just standing there doing? He's got his arms crossed. He doesn't look happy. Well, he doesn't actually have a look on his face. He's actually got a question mark on his face. So I guess I'm just going to have to figure it out, aren't I? But I do know he looks a bit, you know what I mean. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to document the next bit of this vlog. let's get into the So I went for a walk a bit of a while ago. It is now about 3ish, and I'm gonna get into some books. So the books I'm reading is The Inheritance Games. This book is by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. This book is about a girl who's complete stranger to this family but gets the inheritance of the family, and she gets like a bunch of money, and because it's inheritance games, and then the story kind of kicks off there, and it's really fun and adventurous. Really getting into this. I just started to pick it up again. I DNF'd it, and it's so easy to just kind of pick up from where I went from. And the other book I'm going to read is A Caught Wing of Ruin. This is third in the series of ACOTAR, which is called Thorn and Roses, and we're following the story, and I love the characters in here, and I love the world. I absolutely love the world. Like, I adore this series so much. So I'm gonna get into these, and yeah, see you then. There's a character called Drake. Yeah.
I need me water.
I'm using it as a stand. Oh. Can you wait a
Got in
minute?
the book.
Can you wait a minute? Wait until I finish this chapter at least. And I gotta give my mum her water now. Really good chapter.
I'm eating those cookies.
Hey. I'm cooking my dinner. I'm having vegetarian plant-based schnitzy, so I'm excited about that. I'm having a sandwich and I've got the toast on right now, so I want it like a little bit crunchy, but that's what I'm doing now. And then I might do some more reading, I don't know yet, but so far so good. And yeah, I'll update you. Well, I guess I'll update you next time I see you, because I'm vlogging and I'm videoing this right now, so yeah. Got my lettuce, my tomatoes, and some beetroot. I'm gonna see if there's any cheese though, because cheese is important. Let's not lie. This is a part of the adulting process. Cheese is a luxury, and I love cheese. I love cheese. Like I just said it. I love cheese. Okay, I do. Oh my god, my toast. Ooh, perfect. Look at this crispiness. That is good crispiness. Is that what you call it? I feel like a guy holding up a fish. I guess this is the woman thing. This is good toast. Look at the toast. Excellent toast. I'm peeling an onion. I guess that's a adulting achievement right there. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm a peeling expert at onions. Okay, I've got to cut this onion off. Oh my god, is my chicken schnitzel burning? Oh my god. It was. I think I burnt my chicken schnitzel. Okay, it's okay guys, it's okay, it's okay. It's part of the adulting experience. Cooking is a part of the adulting experience. Is this allowed on camera? Adult kills the onion. Okay, I'm joking. Okay, I'm really bad right now. Okay. Superhero kind of action movie moment. This knife isn't good enough. Sorry, Mr. Knife. I'll get this one. How do you cut onion? I actually don't know how to cut onion. Oh well. I guess you just cut it because it's an onion. You know what I mean? I'll just cut it in quarters. Quarters is 4, by the way, if anyone needed to know that. I guess learning maths is a part of the teenage experience. Actually, I think I cut it the wrong way. I actually have no idea what I'm doing right now. It's okay. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. This is my onion so far. And I'm gonna turn my chicken schnitzel on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm turning this off. She's done. She is done. Okay, I need to assemble. The sandwich. I don't know why that took so long for me to say. Okay. I'm chucking some mayo on. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. Nothing sweet about that. It's mayonnaise. Okay. Is that garlic? I don't even know. Look at that. Ooh yeah. Yeah. My onions, they're not really the best onions. They're all... This onion is still alive after I've even freaking cut it. Is that swearing? I don't even know if that's swearing. Anyways. Voila, look at my onions. Do I sound like Michael Jackson just then? So funny. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm making a sandwich. I'm making myself a snitchy sandwich. I just tipped juice everywhere. Oh my gosh.
And on my one,
Yeah, you get one too.
put it on top.
This is my adulting sandwich. It's got chicken schnitzel, beetroot, tomato, no lettuce because there was no lettuce, and an egg because that's delicious, and I'm gonna eat it now. Oh my god, this so stupid. Oh my god. That was really good. Really good. But it's okay, that's part of the adulting experience. That's part of the adulting experience. That's a part of the adulting experience. Maybe.
Oh, baby. Lucky dip, isn't it?
It's ugly. I didn't try that. Now look.
Sandwich. Toasted sandwich or just toast with cheese?
We're going for a walk, aren't we?
Yes.
This is the dog.
It's Dozer.
This is our dog. Hi, puppy dog.
He does.